I can leave at any moment. You have no jurisdiction over me. Absolutely fine. But when the police do turn up, right, or they tell her on the phone, he's on a public street and that you can do, I just want to see you do the walk of shame back into the...
Security calls the police to stop a lawful photographer. Convinced he's in the right, watch till the end to see who actually walks away embarrassed.
Well, you should do, aye.
What, in a public space?
Well, this isn't a public space. That's a public space.
Oh, you've just called me off it. You're crazy.
Well, no, not really, but why are you taking pictures? I'm just asking you, Agent.
Funny with me.
No, I'm asking you, Agent.
What do photographers do?
Yeah, but it's a Sellafield building.
Yeah.
If someone's taking pictures of a Sellafield building, you will be reported by security. Which is
public space.
I'm not stopping you from taking them. I'm asking you.
Well, do us a favour then. Jog on back to work.
Why don't you jog on then?
I'm a member of public in a public space.
Well, I don't care. Don't tell me to jog on. You jog on.
You've come and interrupted my business.
Because you're taking pictures of the
Of
building,
a building that I can see from a public space. How stupid do you sound?
Listen, it's not my... If you've got a problem with it, go and take it to Sellafield.
Who sent you out here to question me?
Me? I sent myself out to you, alright?
You're bringing yourself into someone else's business that you shouldn't be doing.
No, listen.
You're a security for there, mate.
Come on here. This is part of Sellafield.
I wasn't there until you come out. I'm on a public footpath here.
Sellafield built all this, mate.
This is a public street.
It doesn't matter. Listen, all I done was come and ask you why you were taking pictures. Then you started getting arsy. So I'm getting arsy.
What? So what are you going to do, like?
What do you mean? What am I going to do? I'm going to do nothing.
You're going to get arsy? That's not very professional.
Listen, you're the one coming and screaming at me. All I done was come up to you and ask you why you were taking pictures.
I am sick of people like yourself approaching me.
All I done was ask you why you were taking pictures.
And I don't have to tell you.
But all I'm doing is asking you.
Well, why ask if you don't have? If I don't have to tell you?
I'll just stand here then and look. You take the pictures.
Oh, is that how?
Yeah, because
you're not that big of a bloke to get in way of the camera.
Why? Well, so what's
you need to be a very wide guy to get inside of that bloody.
I do.
Are you going to act childish like that?
No, I'm not really, mate.
I just took a picture of that building coming out from it there.
Yeah, the chimney.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Because that's nothing to do with Sellafield.
But it's nothing to do with you.
Well, how is it not?
Because this is a public...
Today, we're going to witness a confrontation that escalates from a simple question into a full-blown clash over public photography rights. It all begins when security approaches the filmer, insisting the area isn't public while he firmly pushes back, standing on the footpath and defending his lawful right to record.
It's my job to come out and ask you why you're taking pictures. If you're taking pictures of a Sellafield building, that's the rules and regulations.
Is there any secrets here?
Listen, mate, I'm just doing my job because that's what I've got supposed to do.
Someone's told you that to approach a member of public?
If someone is taking pictures of a Sellafield building, I'm supposed to go to them and ask them why they're taking pictures. And that's the policy.
Who's told you that?
Sellafield policies, mate.
Sellafield policies?
Yeah, Sellafield
well, I'm going to be making a complaint. What's your name?
Darren Sanders.
Darren Sanders, thank you.
Team leader of security. You go and make a complaint.
Well, I'll do my photography first. I ain't finished here.
Go and make your complaint.
No, I'll do that once I'm gone, because I'm carrying on with my photography.
Go and do your complaint.
Once I'm finished, buddy. Are you really going to get in? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Right, do you know what that's considered as, right? Harassment.
Is it?
It's a public street, this, buddy. This is a public street.
You're taking pictures of a Sellafield building, mate.
That you can see from a public space.
If you think I'm harassing you, you phone the police right now. I'm not saying what to say. Go on.
No, because I'm going to...
phone the police.
Are you going to continue? Are you going to continue this?
I'll phone the police.
You phone the police. I'm going to carry on. Dickhead? Is that what you call me?
Yeah, that did that.
Listen, mate, I heard it.
I didn't even say anything, so what are you going on about?
You're very angry.
Listen, I did not say anything.
You're very angry, sir.
Well, what do you expect with dealing with someone like you?
What, for taking photos? Have you never seen a photographer or anything?
You're talking about me getting angry, now look at you.
Mate, my hands are wide open, like no threat.
Yeah,
if I was
no threat. You're raising your voice, mate. That's what you're doing.
Because I'm a member of public in a public space. I'm allowed to do what I'm doing.
Listen, mate, we'll go and take pictures of them buildings.
I am, mate, hey, do you know what? I've been parked up in Whitehaven for 2 minutes, and guess what?
What?
I just had a conversation with a lady here, right? Yeah. And I led to come round here, and Jobsworth, come out of this building
Jobsworth, that's it.
to ask me what I'm doing.
Yeah, exactly.
I've been here.
Taking pictures of a Sellafield building.
And it's not a secret.
It's the rules and regulations.
What am I not meant to see here?
All I done was ask you why you were taking pictures of the building, and then you instead of just saying, listen, mate, I was just taking pictures, and then you have to start getting.
So you're Boris Johnson now. I have to explain myself to you.
From here, the tension rises fast. Security claims it's their duty to question anyone photographing the site, but the filmer fires back, accusing them of harassment. The guard grows visibly irritated, and the back and forth sharpens as the filmer challenges their authority and repeatedly tells them to call the police if they believe a crime has been committed.
No, I was going to say that. Well, you're very quicker than me at the minute, mate. I was going to say that to you, but who the hell are you to ask me that? You're nobody.
Because if I'm working here, you're taking pictures of the building.
You're a nobody, mate.
Out here and ask you what you're doing.
Yeah, but I've got every right to tell you. I've got every right to tell you what I've just said.
It's something to do with me.
Not when I'm on a public payment,
it
mate.
It doesn't matter. You're taking pictures of someone else's personal property.
Do you know that's lawful? What I'm doing?
Is it?
Under public photography laws, yeah.
Well, show me your laws then.
Serious?
Show me your laws.
Serious?
Yeah,
all right.
Serious. Come on, show me your laws.
Street photography in a public space.
Laws.
This is going to describe it. Public photography in a public space. You have the right to keep any photographs you take unless confiscated by a warrant. You do not need permission from your subject to take their photograph. That means you. Yeah? You own the copyright to any photographs you take, not the subject. You cannot be removed or restricted from taking photographs from a public space. Now that is the law, buddy.
Yeah.
So guess what? I'm going to advise you on now.
Guess what? See that? That is not a public space.
This defines that I've took it from a public space. I've took it from a public space. Can you not read?
Yeah,
I've just took it from a public space.
Yes, I can. But
so I've got. Do you know how many images I've got of you?
Yeah.
I've got over thousands and thousands of images of you now on my body cam.
Yeah,
and guess what?
I notice your body cam. It doesn't bother me.
And guess what?
It doesn't bother me.
This will be getting distributed to your employers.
You
right?
distribute that because I get.
In this section, the filmer takes control by pulling up the actual photography laws. He lays out each point clearly: no permission required, full ownership of images, and no power to restrict filming from public land. His calm delivery contrasts with security's frustration, reinforcing that every action he's taking falls strictly within legal public photography rights.
I can guarantee you, I have to come out. If you're taking pictures or anyone's taking pictures, doesn't matter what.
Yeah, on your property, not out in public, mate.
I've got to come out and ask you why you're taking pictures, and I didn't come out.
But that's not the law, buddy.
But that's what I've got to say.
Will you do us a favour? Will you do us a favour? You go back to your employer and say, look, you're telling me to go out to photographers, right?
Yeah.
And they're lawful in what they're doing in a public space.
But all I've done was come out and ask you why
Yeah, but you've no right to.
But I have every right to.
No, you don't. Because
how do I not have a right to?
So if I was riding a bike down here, would you come?
Pictures of the building. He thinks I have no right to ask him why he's taking pictures of the building because he's.
I'm a member of public on a public footpath.
Yes, but you're not allowed to. You need permission to take.
No, I don't. I've just showed you the law.
Building.
I've just showed you the law, mate. Bring the police and get guidance of the police.
So you shouldn't be taking pictures of the building. You need permission to take.
Try and kiss him away. Even though I said you can't take pictures.
You're just doing your job.
No.
Can I ask what the purpose of what you're taking the pictures for?
Well, I can tell you what it is now. It's an audit, and everybody here is getting audited.
What kind of audit?
An audit, a photography audit. He has come out to me on a public footpath telling me I can't take pictures of that building. I can get the same picture.
You couldn't take them. I asked you why you were taking them.
Rewind, buddy. At one point you told me that I couldn't do this. You told me I couldn't do this.
No, you're not supposed to do.
You told me I couldn't do it. You said I couldn't.
I said you shouldn't be. I didn't say.
And why should I not be? If it's lawful. I am doing lawful activity here. It doesn't matter. It's a public footpath.
Well, he thinks the police won't do anything.
Well, ring the police. I won't go anywhere. I don't like wasting their time, but I'm taking pictures from a public footpath. So if you want to waste the police time, go ahead. You're even more stupid.
No, we're fine with that.
Oh, so what have you? What crime have I committed to ring the police?
Yeah, I do.
No, I am speaking my voice, and this is all being recorded.
Just put yourself forward to him, maybe you're aggressive.
All right.
This part turns into a debate about authority and wrongdoing. Security insists they must challenge anyone photographing the building, but the filmer pushes back, asking what crime has occurred. He reminds them that filming from a public path is completely lawful and that his camera is recording everything, serving as his protection against false claims or accusations.
That's how you're going down, is it?
No, that's how it is, mate.
Right, well this recording, right, backs me up.
That's fine.
So why do you feel the need to record?
Because I'm sick of Jobsworths like this approaching me. I am calling him a Jobsworth. That's what he is.
I'm not being insulted to you, so don't be insulted.
He's insulted me from the minute I landed here.
What have I called you? What have I said to you? All I ever done, right, was come out and ask you why you were taking pictures of the building.
And it's nothing to do with you.
At that moment, that's what you're doing. You've got an attitude with
He's
it.
got a job.
His job is in there, not out here.
My job is out here watching these full buildings, mate.
Yeah, can you not watch? Can you not watch and observe me? So the same thing you accuse me of getting irate here, you're doing the exact same.
Come out again and asked you why you were taking pictures of the building.
And it's nothing to do with you. It's nothing to do with you. It's nothing to do with you. How polite is that?
It isn't anything to do with me, but I have got to come and ask you what you're doing.
So once I tell you it's nothing to do with you, why not just go away?
Because
I'm not a security risk here.
I wanted to know why you're doing it.
Because he can watch me. Are you crazy or what?
I think you're crazy, mate.
Do you think I'm crazy?
He doesn't know what your intentions are, though.
He can watch.
Someone walking around taking pictures.
What does that mean? So if I take pictures of this building,
taking a building, so what are your intentions with the picture?
it's nothing to do with you either, like I've told this fella.
So you're not telling us why you're taking pictures. If you told us, we would have happily just...
Yeah, but you're a nobody, mate. I don't answer to people like you.
You're being insulting again.
Yeah, I have the right to do so. As long as I've not swore at him once, right?
So we have the right to come and approach you.
Insulting? I don't like your hair, buddy.
What, are you a child or what?
Huh?
Would you insult someone's hair?
I don't like your hair either.
Well, I don't like your face, but I'm still having to talk to you.
So I see what I mean. That's how much of a fool you are, mate. So I say something, you come back with the exact same thing. So who's the child then, eh?
The tone hardens here as the filmer accuses the guard of being rude from the start. Security continues to hover, insisting they can watch him, but he rejects the interference and asserts he owes them no explanation. Insults get exchanged, frustrations climb, and the argument shifts into a battle of pride, with neither side willing to back down.
So you're ringing the police?
Yeah, the police are coming to stay there then.
No. I go when I want to go. You don't tell me to. Oh, no. I am staying. No. I am staying here because you've rang him. But the minute you tell me that I have to stay here, then I can go at any time. I am not being held here, mate. Trust me. I can leave at any moment. You have no jurisdiction over me. Absolutely fine. But when the police do turn up, right, or they tell her on the phone, he's on a public street and that you can do, I just want to see you do the walk of shame back into there.
You'll have a shock, mate. You'll have a shock when
I've got nothing to be ashamed of.
What, approaching a member of public on a public street?
He's being aggressive.
Aggressive, see what I mean? But you will be look like a more idiot than you already look when it gets on YouTube. You will be. You will be the idiots of Whitehaven.
Okay, thanks.
And I might even title the video Idiots of Whitehaven for that.
Okay.
Because you guys, you just no jurisdiction here.
It's fine. Okay. All we're doing is going to get the police to come. If that's the case, then that's fine.
And you're happy to waste their time?
Well, you're the one wasting time. All you have to do is tell them why you were taking pictures and bring me in this situation.
Like I'm going to tell the copper when he gets here, he has no right to ask me, and he'll say the same, that he hasn't.
What, so he has no right to move you on? So
no, because
you have powers above the law now, then?
The problem is, mate, I was not causing any issue to you or any of your...
Come out and said, why are you taking pictures of a Sellafield building? And all you're doing from the get-go is just gone, see we'd be started snapping.
No, I didn't snap, mate, didn't snap.
Well,
Again, this recording will prove everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Okay, mate, it's fine.
You tyrants, you don't like people speaking up for themselves, do you? Is this how you bully photographers?
I'm not being funny. No, you haven't given anyone 2 seconds to talk. You're just talking about everybody and insulting everybody.
Yeah, I have the right to do so, mate. So what, you think his hair looks good?
What's wrong with his hair?
Look at it. He needs a bit of just for men on that.
There's no wrong with being grey, mate. It's called brown grey.
Silver fox there. I have got the right to insult you. Could you not?
And I won't respond either.
Why not?
Because I'm bigger and better.
Oh yeah, bigger and better. Go on, lad.
Now, the filmer makes it unmistakably clear that he is not being detained and can walk away whenever he chooses. He predicts that the police will confirm he is fully within his rights. He also warns that their behavior will be shown publicly, calling it a walk of shame, and reminding them that they're wasting police time over lawful photography on a public footpath.
The only thing's bigger is your belly.
Yeah.
Too many cream cakes there, mate.
Absolutely.
So, I just can't wait for it. I hope they don't take a long time, really. Will you apologise if you're in the wrong?
I've got nothing to apologise for.
You're holding me back from doing my photography.
At what point? So you're saying I'm holding you back? Come on.
You've said you're ringing police.
Yeah, because you're being threatened.
I asked him if he would apologise if the police put him straight, right?
He said it isn't.
That's your opinion, so that's our opinion. So we're not gonna. I needn't argue with you about that fact.
So you're saying I've brought the law?
Yes, we believe you have, yeah.
Right. Well, when the police
If we're
come,
in the wrong, then we apologise.
will you apologise? Will you apologise, buddy?
If I'm in the wrong, mate, I will apologise. But all I said to you from the start is I come out and ask you why you were taking pictures, because it's a Torreville building and that's my duty to make sure there is no threat to the building. But then from the get-go, you just got snappy with me and just started.
Yeah, but did you not?
And then obviously I got snappy back.
Right. Well, calm it down a bit, right?
Okay.
This is the issue here. I'm barefaced. Can you agree?
You what, sorry?
I'm barefaced.
Yeah.
So obviously,
if you think about it, you've got a cap on, you've got a hood up as well.
no. Listen, mate. I don't hide my features,
No,
right?
I understand that.
But what I'm trying to say to you is this, right?
The building, obviously, I've got to come out and I've got to confront them and ask them why they are taking pictures of the
But
building.
I think that will get to. I think after today, right? Because I'm going to make a big issue about this. After today has gone, I'm going to complain. I'm going to take this so high up that in the future you will never go to a public footpath and request a member of public to tell you what I'm doing. Because it's just upsetting so much. Oh, who wait here? I don't have to wait anywhere, buddy. No, I'm hanging around taking photos. I ain't leaving.
Here the filmer asks whether security will apologize if proven wrong, but the guard refuses. The argument briefly cools before heating up again as the filmer vows to file a formal complaint and push the issue higher. He states plainly that he is not leaving the area, reinforcing that lawful activity cannot be halted just because security disapproves.
This area, buddy. Pardon? I have to be like this. Because mugs like you, right, yeah?
I'm a mug.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you come out, you're trying to stop me from doing a lawful activity, right?
You haven't told me what that is or what company you're
taking photographs. I don't work for a company, I'm freelance. So you have no jurisdiction with me on a public footpath like I was.
That's all we're asking.
And you're telling me to wait here?
If you don't mind.
Oh, well, I don't mind. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to carry on taking photos of this lovely area. I'm a visitor to Whitehaven. I've been here 2 minutes until.
You not to, that's all.
Well, I can politely decline because everything I'm doing is legal and lawful. Well, you can wait till the police come, and like I say, usually what I tell people.
I don't mind apologising to you, and if I'm wrong, I will hold my hands up and say sorry. No,
so what are you hiding here?
It's a nuclear licence.
Yes, but the information that you on the outside.
That might be the case, and like I say, I'll hold my hands up and
what?
say
And you can't even know that's the case. What? I can take the same photos from over there.
All I'm saying is we can argue to a bloody face.
You're the ones who are arguing, not me. I just want to illustrate a point to you as well, if you care to see. Look into that lens there, right? Can you see that person over there? Look at that.
Have you got her permission to take that photo?
See what I don't need her permission to take that photo. I've just illustrated a point to you, right?
It's got her image in.
She's in the public. She's in a public space. So if I went over there and took that exact same shot of this building, you wouldn't even know I was taking it. It's just that I wanted to get close to that bloody chimney up there and get your building with that in the background.
In this segment, the filmer declines to wait for the police, insisting he will continue his photography. He questions what they're trying to hide, then demonstrates how filming from public space is entirely legitimate. By comparing sightlines and showing the building from different angles, he highlights how harmless and ordinary his actions truly are.
So guys, it's absolutely windy today, and yeah, because of the wind and the cold, it's 3 degrees. I hope you're going to register when this complaint goes in against these goons, that they learn the hard way. And hope we don't get a real tyrant copper either, because this will go straight to the top, this. Right to the top. Is there a manager about? Oh, you're a management?
Why are you surprised?
Pardon?
Why are you surprised?
You don't look like a manager?
Why? What does the manager look like?
Pardon? It's how they carry themselves, which is more important.
Right, so you just said I'm
Pardon? Yeah. Because you're just mugging me off.
not mugging you off.
Yeah. Hello, Constable.
Yeah, I received, thanks.
How are you doing, buddy?
Just so you're aware, I'm just videoing what our conversation just
Fully respect for that.
Okay.
Yeah, fully respect for that.
Magic. So, can I ask what your idea is at the moment?
Right, my idea, landed in
With the wind picking up, the filmer explains he'll be filing a serious complaint and expects accountability from both security and police. He stresses that this situation will be escalated to the highest level if needed. A manager appears, but the filmer remains unimpressed, continuing to document the encounter while reinforcing the legitimacy of everything he's doing.
what? I'll just wait for these to come here, buddy. So I'm not lying. Right, I just landed in Whitehaven 15 minutes ago.
Okay.
I come up this path, taking photos of this building, chimney in the background, anything I can see really on the public road.
Okay.
I was approached by this member of security here asking me, can I ask what you're doing? Now, it was polite in nature how he approached me, but I must admit, Constable, I wasn't polite back, but I didn't swear or anything. I said, it's got nothing to do with you. I'm in a public space, practicing photography, just jog on out of my way.
Right.
He didn't like the way I spoke to him. We had a disagreement. I told him I got the public photography laws up on my phone, I showed it him. Still weren't happy with that.
What, sorry, Alan?
The public photography laws from a public space.
Right.
Yeah. Well, do you know that anywhere in a public space I can take photography?
I'm not sure of the exact legislation on it, because I would imagine that's more as much civil law as anything else, but
Well, I'm not committing a crime today, Constable, right?
Okay.
And they said I can't take photos of this building. That's the meat and bones about it, basically. I said I can, and they said, right, we'll ring the police. I said, you will be wasting police time, because I've not committed a crime. And I said, I'll wait, that's it.
right.
So I just want you to put these straight.
The police finally arrive and the filmer calmly explains everything. He's on a public road, filming a building he's legally allowed to record, while security has escalated a lawful activity into a police matter. Now the officer has to decide who's actually in the wrong. The rest of this story continues in the next video, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.